This is why your Silverado's dashcam might suddenly stop working. Before you call for help, let's check a few things together. Ready? Let's dive in. First, check the power. Most dashcams plug into the Silverado's 12-volt outlet. Make sure it's fully inserted and see if other devices work in that outlet. If not, you might have a blown fuse. Next, look for any loose or frayed wires around the dashcam or mounting area. Gently wiggle the cables. If the camera flickers on, you might have a wiring issue. Now check the SD card. Take it out, wipe it off, and reinsert it. A full or corrupted SD card can make your dashcam stop working. Try swapping it with a new or formatted card. Still no luck? Hold down the power button for 10 seconds to try a reset. Some dashcams have a tiny reset hole. Use a paperclip if you see one. Finally, if your Silverado has a rear-view mirror camera, check your vehicle's settings. Sometimes, a software update or setting change can affect dashcam power. If you've tried all these steps and it's still not working, it might be a deeper wiring or device issue. Consult your Chevy dealer or a professional installer. Don't let a dead dashcam leave you unprotected. Troubleshoot smart and stay safe on the road.